Welcome to Harvest 2024. Yesterday we checked the corn, we shelled some corn. Yesterday we checked the soybeans, we combined the soybeans. We had to wait until they were dry enough. We had a lot of time in the combine, but we had a lot of other adventures.
Hi grandkids, Grandma here. We have a new video that we want to give to you from Harvest 2024. We were so fortunate to have Christian and Sophia this weekend. Caroline and Will, this is also dedicated to you. We did so many fun things. We ran all over the farm yesterday, and Grandma and Grandpa were absolutely exhausted, but it was thrilling to have you here. All right, kids, take care. We love you. Bye-bye. What does your mom call you?
Chicky.
Why does she call you Chicky?
Because I look like a chicken in these jammies.
You do? Because what does your pajamas have on them?
Chickens.
Chickens. Do. What are we having for breakfast?
I don't know.
You don't know. What's Grandpa making?
Waffles?
Waffles?
Pancakes?
What are you making, Grandpa?
Waffles.
What are you making, Grandpa?
I'm making pancakes.
Pancakes.
Pancakes. What did you put on your pancakes?
Whipped cream.
Whipped cream. Ooh. Grandpa, who made them? Who made the pancakes?
I did.
Grandpa did. All right.
Grandma grew the fruit.
Grandma, yeah, in her garden. Grandpa,
Good idea.
what are you thinking of making there?
Well, I have a stick that my grandpa made, and he wrote on it, old-fashioned back scratcher, and it needs a corn cob. And so we can find a corn cob today and make one to send home with you.
How do you use that, Christian?
Show Grandma.
Yay.
Show Grandma how you use it.
It's a back scratcher.
Wow, excellent. Ugh. There you go.
But that's my grandfather's writing on there. So let's clean that up, and we'll use this. That way it's your grandpa's grandpa that did this. How's that sound? All right.
Oh, is that going to go right in the middle of your back scratcher?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's awesome.
Pull that down. Now lift up. There. Now, crank it, and then it'll draw itself down.
Wow.
Now keep cranking.
Cool.
Keep going. Keep going, Chris.
Teamwork. There they go. Who planted this seed, guys?
Christian and I planted this.
Oh, wow.
So on this, if you
Yeah, it is ready.
sometimes
one's-
you put these back one thing at a time. If you want to display them.
Don't fall off, sweetie. This is our biggest one.
You only have 2 big ears.
Yeah.
Like that.
Christian, what is this?
This is an old mower.
Well, how do you know it's an old mower?
Because I was on the Berenstain Bears.
You saw it in Berenstain Bears?
Yes.
Really? Did they use one?
Yes.
Okay.
Exactly like it.
Exactly like this. Shall we give it a try? Okay. I'm going to try a little more oil. There you go. Good job. Right, watch how this spins. Well, now we're gonna sharpen the blade some. And it really goes a lot faster than what it did before. Cool. There he goes. Good job, bud. Well, having a after lunch rest period before we go back out and combine. It's great that Grandma can watch him on the basement camera. Perfect. What are you checking, Grandpa?
We're gonna grease the combine.
Wow, you guys are greasing the zerks, aren't you? Are you guys ready to farm? Mm-hmm. You are. Is Sophia going too?
Checking how dry the beans are.
What are you doing, Grandpa?
We're checking how dry the beans are.
Okay.
So we took off a pod.
Yeah.
And then we take this and we put it in our mouth. They need a little more sun. They need a little sun. And now beans for a semi. So then I can just...
Didi, no gummy bear now. Hey, a gummy bear.
They've been talking about the combine eating, and now it's eating gummy bears. Yep.
The gummy bears are the green weeds.
Yeah, they are.
Not green beans.
Yeah, I kind of wonder how long this position's gonna last. Never know. Yep, they've got a new way to get up to the farm. Christian's driving. We're gonna get Sophia driving on this yet. Here we go.
He's in your mouth, and you like,
No, I'm not playing.
Morning bombs.
morning poops. Is
You
that what
can't say that.
No, he can't.
is? Did you say morning poops?
Morning bombs.
Binds are poops.
No.